For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the National Weather Bulletin forecast for next 24 hours, 19th of August. The monsoon has been active for the last 2 days. There is a little revival. Rainfall on daily basis has been above the normal for first time in August. That's on 18th of August. The conditions are that activity will continue for the next few days, next possibly 3-4 days or so, mostly over the central parts of the country, and along with that some eastern parts also. Later it's going to shift even over the northern parts of country, particularly Delhi and adjoining area. Coming to the region specific forecast now, this low pressure area is now parts of East Madhya Pradesh and adjoining region. And this is what is driving the monsoon rains over different parts of the country. This is the sole feature which is marked effectively over these central parts of the country. Along with this, we see the monsoon trough, which is having a tendency to shift a little south, even the western end. The eastern one already is running a little normal or a little south of its normal position because of this low pressure. Now, the east and northeast India, there have been fair amount of showers over these parts in the past 2 days or so, and in these 24 hours also we expect moderate rain and thunder shower activity over Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand. Even northeast India also can experience moderate rain and thunder shower activity. Over Bihar, it could be more over parts of even Patna, Gaya, Nevada, and the northeast pocket, which consists of Purnia, Bhagalpur, Araria, Kishanganj, can have moderate rain and thunder shower. Parts of Jharkhand, inclusive the capital city Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Dumka, and then Deoghar pocket can have moderate rain thunder shower activity. Over West Bengal, it should be mostly confined to the southern parts. So southern parts means Gangetic West Bengal covering Kolkata, Howrah, 24 Pargana, Midnapur, Malda, Bankura, Purulia. This the pocket can expect this rainfall, and little more rainfall over the sub-Himalayan West Bengal covering Kuch Bihar, Alipurdwar, Hashimara, Binaguri, Siliguri, Jalpaiguri, and then hilly areas also of Darjeeling and Kalimpong. Northeast India, as I said, moreover the lower parts of Assam should have more weather than the upper half. Coming to the northern parts of the country, mostly dry weather conditions are prevailing, but yes, it's coming up for some good spell of weather because of this low pressure area. Once it shifts further over parts of North MP, that's subsequent 48 hours or so we can expect this weather. But in these 24 hours, not much of weather activity over Rajasthan, hardly any. Punjab, Haryana also, even Delhi. The trough line though is shifting southward now. As I said earlier, it's in the proximity of Delhi. That stands a chance to give some spell of rain or thunder shower over Delhi towards later part of the day, but then most of it will come subsequently. That's on 20th and 21st. We can expect good showers over Delhi. Temperatures which had risen in the absence of the rains over North India. Temperatures were about even 40 degree at places. Even capital city Delhi had recorded 38 degree on 2 successive days, rising about 3 to 4 or 5 degree even above the normal. But with this spell coming up now, change in the winds, a reversal in the winds, we can expect a drop in temperature almost by about 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over these parts. Central parts of the country, focus, that is the activity center, courtesy this low pressure area, which is marked with the well marked cyclonic circulation. The only thing is, earlier the rains with this had extended even covering parts of Gujarat and even most parts of Maharashtra. Now they are receding a little and they're confining to parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha region. Even Orissa can expect some weather. Interior parts of Orissa covering Koraput, Bolangir, Angul, and even Titlagarh, Sambalpur can expect some moderate rain and thunder shower activity. Entire state of Chhattisgarh still stands for some moderate rain and thunder shower, starting from Ambikapur, Bilaspur in the north and coming right up to Durg and Raipur. Eastern parts of MP is the main focus for weather activity. Rainfall is going to be widespread over these pockets. That's the eastern parts covering even Sagar, Satna, Rewa, Jabalpur, Chhindwara, Seoni. This is the pocket which can expect heavy rainfall. This will extend even to the western parts of MP, but lighter note. Khandwa, Khargon, this pocket can also have some moderate or light to moderate rain and thunder shower. In the subsequent 24 hours, as I said, the system will move to northwest, and even the northern parts of MP will have widespread rain and thunder shower activity extending to parts of Rajasthan and Haryana and Delhi later on. Gujarat will have just about light rainfall, moderate at places, but then again parts of Saurashtra and Kutch may not have much. At the most, some light rainfall activity in the coastal parts can be expected. Coming to the southern parts of the country, they have been generally lying quiet for most of these days, but we can expect some activity over parts of Karnataka, northern parts as well as the southern parts. Bangalore can expect few showers during these 24 hours, but then not very heavy. Even parts of Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, they can expect cloudy sky, but then light rain only. Along the coast, there is a feeble trough is marked of Karnataka and Kerala, so therefore light to moderate showers can be expected over these parts also. That's parts of Kerala and including Karnataka, Mangalore, Karwar, Harnai. This pocket can expect moderate, about 15, 20, 25 millimeter of rainfall can be expected over these parts. This is the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest information on weather.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.